All right, so in today's analysis, we're going to be taking a look at Netflix. Netflix has been doing quite well recently. It's popped since about mid-October, and now we continue to power higher. I want to show you a couple of the things here on Netflix. So here's some of the other ones related. So today it's up $13, up to 2.76%. So it continues to do well. I mean, the stock is quite volatile, so you need to be a little bit more careful. So as we do this recap and review, just remember, if you want me to review or take a look at a stock, just write it in the comment, just one ticker, and I'll take a look at it for you. So here what we've got is we've got a little bit of a resistance line since July, and that stock came right into it. Now, here's the problem with this resistance line right here. So we kind of got a little bit overbought right there. We had a little bit of a nice pop to that upside, but then it rejected it quite quickly. So we tested some of these points right here a few times, and then that stock sold off quite a bit. Had a gap up. That gap up led us way back into the higher prices, right where that previous bar or swing point was. We pulled back a little bit, and now we're testing. We're trying to push and power higher. So it's actually been doing quite well, and it's had this massive run and continues to push and press into these higher prices. Right now we're rejecting a little bit, but what I like here is in this zone and level is we do have a little bit of a press in volume. So when you watch that volume, we do have some nice movements in coming in with the volume. So that's also positive. If I go into about let's go to a 5-minute chart. Here's that break, and now we're coming back. We're going to see if this holds here for the day. And if this does hold, and I'm not saying, hey, we can't get under it, because you could get a little bit under it and come back and then power higher. But if this holds and this comes right back up, we could start breaking these previous July levels. Now, bringing it back even further, when you start watching this level in July, one of the reasons why I'm saying that's kind of an important zone is it actually comes back to some of the other previous price action that we had in 2021, where this was support and quite significant actually for a long period of time. We've had a long digestion period there beforehand. So that was a lot of sideways action. So I think you will get some more resistance coming up if the stock gets into this zone, because it's a really tight consolidation area. And then we'll see, because right now we've had a fairly significant, nice run to the upside. So it's moving well, doing fantastic. And the question is can we continue to power higher and hold this up? If we come back to here, retest, and push, that'll be good news for the stock. Anyways, again, if you want me to take a look at a ticker, just write one in the comment and I'll check it out for you. Other than that, thanks for joining me. Truly appreciate it. Check out the website, grab some freebies if you like, PDFs, cheat sheets, and little courses on the website right there. And I will see you in the next video.